We're going to be taking a look at GLLK right now, currently at 0002. The last time that we went through this one together is going to be on 410. So we'll see if Joe has anything to add from there. With that being said, you guys did hit the low. A 0001 has never hit that from what I'm seeing here in the chart. So keep that in mind. I've even said over here on the 10th, too much selling question mark. That was a concern that I had then as well. Even right now with 92 million shares traded. Look at on the 24th, 1 billion shares traded. And this thing could not move too much. I mean, you guys hit the low at 0002 and the high at 0004, but really it couldn't do too much. Right now, you just seen this thing flip up to the 0003. That's where we're going to be watching it. But again, like I've told you before, still the same thing I'm going to watch for is that break of 0005. Even if you hit it, that is going to be a good sign, especially getting through the 20-day. But that break at 005, 0005 would be the one that I'd like to personally see. And we'll need to break 0005, turn bullish opinion, resistance again. It's going to be at 0004 and then 5. Okay, that's the 20 and 30. That is why that's there. That's why those things are close together, but the 5 is going to be the one I'm watching. And then support is going to be at the 000. So we'll see what Joe has to add here. He's ready. Let him get in on this.
All right, so with this one right here, I'm seeing an 8K from April 13th. It was for the period ended March 27th, 2017. So I pulled that up really quick, and it was on March 27, 2017, the company filed a certificate of amendment with Nevada Secretary of State to increase the company's authorized shares of common stock to 20 billion shares, and to authorize up to 10 million shares of blank check preferred stock on March 27, 2017, pursuant to the resolution approved by the company's board of directors. The company filed a certificate of designation with the Nevada Secretary of State, designated up to 9 million shares of Series A restricted preferred stock. All right, so that's that right there. So let's see. All right, so that was on March 27th, but this thing was received on April 13th. But then their latest press release was Lakes Corp retires majority of convertible notes. And that was on April 24th. So Lakes Corp, an exploration stage blue sky company that specializes in acquiring and developing mining assets today, or on April 21st, announced that it has retired the majority of its convertible notes taken in the last 2 years, either through repayment or through issuance of shares, in a strong effect to re-energize its balance sheet. The company acknowledged that although it still requires capital to keep the business going, it will be more judicious in any future financing. Over the past several months, it has focused on reducing the debt exposure on its balance sheet and is accessing new and more cost-effective sources of liquidity to finance its business. Our stock has been under enormous pressure due to the heavy amount of debt converted into shares and introduced to the market. The dilution of the stock has been a concern to us and all of our shareholders. And to hopefully see it coming to an end is a relief to all of us going forward. We will still need to finance a portion of our operations, but we have tightened our belts and will continue to run very lean. We are confident that our approach will result in a significant increase in our stock price in the future, says Christopher Valois, president of Lakes Corp. And then it states Lakes Corporation strategy is to identify and acquire prospective properties in well-mineralized mineral areas or mining areas, and advancing these properties towards making new discoveries within the Abitibi Greenstone Belt. And then it says all the current potential shareholders are encouraged to download the investor brief. So if you go right over to the GLLK board on Investors Hangout, go right to the latest news or recent news, you'll see the press release from April 24th. There's a link right over there to that download with their investor brief. So if you want to do that, and if you're interested in doing more due diligence on this company, that's what I'd advise to do. If you want to continue doing more due diligence on that board, you'll see the filings, the financials, the buy rating, the recent news. If you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that Lakes Corp board on Investors Hangout.
All right, so all that information that Joe was just looking at is available over here. Again, completely free at your fingertips. Right now with the chart currently at 0003. We'll need to break 0005 to turn bullish, in my opinion. Resistance at 0004 and 5, support at 0002. Again, like Joe said, I mean, hopefully this turns around, selling slows, gives it that opportunity to break through that 0005. GLLK. If you follow this one, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. We'd appreciate it. And check us out live, investorshangout.com/live.